The pinball machine is built in 3 simple stages. Build the subassemblies, assemble the cabinet, then install the subassemblies along with wiring and artwork into the cabinet and playfield. You'll use common hand tools plus a 3D printer and soldering iron with consumables like filament, solder, prints and decals, and there's no drilling, sawing or filing because the plywood and acrylic parts are precision laser cut. Each project includes 16 subassembly kit boxes and a flat pack cabinet kit with parts packs for electronics, mechanics, electromechanics, wood and plastics, and modules, plus printed assembly documents such as parts lists, a bill of materials, PCB layouts, and drawings. You also get extensive step-by-step video tutorials and downloadable files including instructions, design templates, Arduino code, and 3D printing files. Across the build, you'll do 5 core activities: wood and plastics work, electronic soldering, electromechanical wiring and assembly, coding to run motors, tilt detection and sound, and finally graphic artwork and custom sound effects to finish the game.